fellow students' names. As a student who's about to be a nurse in the near future, confidentiality and privacy of our patients matter. We'll be giving 5 steps to keep in mind. Let's watch this.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Diva Kraut and I'm your nurse for today. And today I want to explain this procedure and the possible risk and benefits. The procedure is this is the consent form that you need to sign. Just let us ensure if you really agree with these terms. Excuse me, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. May I get the information of Arabida?
Oh, I'm very sorry, Mom. I cannot do that for you because the patient hasn't given us any permission for this case.
Oh, really? Thanks, ma'am.
Thank you.
Do not share any information, video, or picture of your patients in social media or to other people. You can share it for educational purposes only, but with the consent of the patient. Do not casually discuss in public spaces about the patient's information, neither in elevator or hallways. The privacy and confidentiality of our patients should be one of our utmost priority in order to build trust and respect as well for them. We are the ones who handles their information, therefore it should be our responsibility to protect it. That's all. Thank you for watching. See you again for another video. Bye!
Excuse me, ma'am. Good morning. I get the... Yes.